Here is another application of primary trigonometric ratios, question 22. Two trees are 100 meters apart. From a midpoint between them, and the angles of elevation to their tops are 12 degrees and 16 degrees. How much taller is one tree than the other? That means we need to find difference of height of the two trees. So here is a sketch which is not at all to the scale. Well, the angles 12 degrees and 16 degrees look like 42 and 46 degrees here. But in any case, for clarity, I have drawn like this. Okay. Now these are the two trees, AC and BD, which are 100 meters apart. And the angle of elevation from the midpoint between them is 12 degrees and 16 degrees. Distance between them is 50-50, right, from midpoint. So this will be 50 now, and this will also be 50, since this is the midpoint and 100 is total distance. Now what we are supposed to find is how much taller, so that means difference of height. So let's think like this. Let's draw a horizontal line here, right? So let's say this height is h1 and this total height is h2, right? So what are we interested in finding? h2 is total height, right? We are interested in finding h2 minus h1. So that is the problem. So we can always use tangent ratio because we are given an angle. We need to find opposite side. Adjacent side is known to us in both the triangles. Angle is given to us. Opposite side we need to find. Adjacent side is given to us. So we'll use tangent ratios to solve this problem, right? So we have tan of 12 degrees is equals to h1 over 50, right? So that gives us height h1 of one tree. h1 is 50 times tan of 12 degrees, right? So which is 50 times tan of 12 degrees, 10.62. So that gives us 10.62. Now in the second triangle AMB, tan of 16 degrees is equals to h2 over 50. So h2 is equals to 50 times tan of 16 degrees, right? So it is 50 times tan of 16 degrees. That gives us 14.3. Correct? Now, so what is the difference between the two? So the difference between two is h2 minus h1. So difference, let me say difference is equals to h2 minus h1, right? So let me write this as 14.3 minus 10.6. And what do we get? 14.3 minus 10.6, 3.7. 3.7. Since the units are meters, this difference is also in meters, correct? So we get our answer, that is how much taller is one tree than the other. So the tree is 3.7 meters taller than the other. So that's the answer, right? So answer is 3.7 meters taller, right? So that is how, using tangent ratios, we can solve this problem. Thank you.